Hi everyone and welcome to TechStream's YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to change the text notification sound on your iPhone 14, 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max. So for that, first go to the settings app and scroll down, tap on sounds and haptics. In here under sound and haptic patterns, tap on text tone. Here you have like alert tones available. You can select any of them you want. So when you're ready, simply select that and that's it. That's how you can change the notification sound for your text messages. So thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.